Hi, didn't see you there. Okay, so today we're talking about peach tree physiology. And that's not what we're really talking about. But, so today I chose this wonderful fruit as my peach thing, as my study of biology today. So today we're talking about how this peach became a peach. But first, I'm going to give you a little bit of information about a peach. So, a little bit about a peach is they're kind of like a flower, if you didn't know. It's pretty cool if you ask me. Don't zoom in on me. Don't zoom in on me! Okay. Well, so it says flowering is a process that peaches go through, and it takes many months for a little peach like this to grow. This juicy, plump fruit takes a little bit. So, flowering is the process of a peach. No. So it's currently like 1 o'clock in the morning. I was like working on homework or whatever and totally forgot to edit my video. And so I started editing my video like again or whatever. And I just don't know how to get this footage back. Like, I'm just not that technical. Like, I suck at doing this stuff. So I'm just basically going to explain to you like the information I got on my peach or whatever. And so basically that's where the video cut off, and I like forgot or whatever. Sorry, I look gross. But basically it was saying that like a peach or whatever forms like once the zygote or something is fertilized by the pollen grain. Ms. Dono, I know that's not correct. It's 1 in the morning. Please cut me some slack. I'd really appreciate it. But so I had this whole video planned out, and I did the editing and stuff, and it was like pretty decent, I guess. And it just didn't go through. So basically my story was that like once upon a time in this magical world, maybe about 19 million years ago, because that's how long peaches have been around for, obviously. And so your peach zygote was planted actually by Princess Peach herself from Mario Kart. And if you don't know what Mario Kart is, click off. Or, well, you can't, but like, just don't talk to me in school anymore. And so basically she like had one of those daisy things, the one that you're like, I gotta be quiet, it's like 1 in the morning, one of those daisy things or whatever, where you're like, and then all the spores go everywhere. And then, but instead of spores, they're like seeds. And so all the seeds go everywhere and they plant. And then about a month later, so these peaches started popping up. And this guy named Julian was trailing off on a walk with his mammoth or whatever. And he found this peach because he was so hungry. And you really weren't supposed to eat peaches at that time because they were contaminated with chemicals from the nuclear war before that. And so, and then he ate it anyway, and he lived, and he said it was the best dang peach of his life. And that's basically what happened. And then he started making the word more known. He got more of his cave people to try these peaches, and the next thing you know, these peaches just blew up all over the world. It was crazy, and peaches are basically the meaning of life. But thank you so much for sitting and watching this video where I totally forgot half of the footage, or not forgot, but lost half of the footage, and for sticking up with my complicated self.